Hello everyone and good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning Sabir, good morning Raghavendra, good morning Ananta. Very good morning, at least unmute so that I will get your name. Good morning Garima, good morning Harshak and good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Cool.
Good morning, Vikas.
Good morning Harshak. Cool. Guys, where we are, what we have to learn. And yesterday I'm very happy with Victor. Victor, what you are developing, man? Victor, you are here.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. What you are developing? Guys, have anyone seen that? What Victor is developing? Aniket, all good, all normal. But Victor is developing something extraordinary thing. Victor, is this working right? Yes.
Yes, I
Vic,
wanted to do something a bit different.
correct. This is different. Okay. See now, what will happen if you will say I developed this thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Interviewer will ask the question from here only. 2-3 questions will come from here only. Correct. Guys, everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You know what he is planning? I will tell his plan. Do you know what is his plan? Anyone? Are yes, no, please. Guys, tell what is the Victor plan? Are yes, no.
No,
Harshit.
sir.
Victor, you can say what's your plan. You want to sell yourself in 1 crore package? Yes or no? Are guys, please be interact, please. Right? See, guys, I also want you all to develop something because you know the trick. Victor is also our student. Now you can develop the things by own. Here also, if you will see here, Victor is this. Okay, Aniket, yeah, Aniket page was working. I was also checking. Okay. Uh, yeah, Aniket, see, Aniket, he is able to see his load balancer is working. My first heading, my second heading. Cool, happy. Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cool, good. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Leave everything. And let's join. Let me message one thing. Let's join. We are already 3 minutes late. Chalo, let's start the journey. Cool. Where we are here. Yes, let's open the syllabus. Current batch syllabus. Where is the syllabus? Here is the syllabus. Okay. We have supposed to start the networking topic by today. Correct? This is our day 17 agenda. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Correct, sir. Exactly.
Cool. Let's jump to the day 17. We are here. Okay. And in the day 17, the networking, which is completely depends isolation network, which you are defining for your resources. This is a isolated network. This is your own private network, own private VPC, which you are creating to put your resources, put your services, put your virtual machines, servers, database, everything into this private cloud, and every company have 100%, every company has to use this service. Cool. What exactly it is, let's come to the practical way. Okay, I'm opening my AWS account. Where is my AWS account? Here is my AWS account. Okay, I'm just closing all these things and I'm clicking on the AWS console. I'm logging back. Okay, and yep, I'm into the my AWS console. My requirement VPC. I'm just searching VPC. And as soon as you will search it, it's showing that isolated cloud resource means your own cloud resources will be available into this place. This is a virtual private cloud, your own cloud. And in that, so many features are there which we have to discuss. These are the top features, plus we have to discuss so many other features as well. Cool. I'm going to the VPC. Okay. At this point in my environment, in my machine, how many VPCs are there? Let's see. I'm just opening the VPC, your VPC. At this point, I have 2 VPCs. I'm creating one more VPC. Okay. Now, before going into that, let me explain you a little bit theory so that it will be helpful for you. Before going to create any of your own network, go to the N Virginia region. I also went switch to the N Virginia region. Okay, and we will perform the activity because this is related to networking. If your networking was not proper, you will not able to perform the activity. Okay, so I'm suggesting you don't try into your production environment, try into the Virginia data center region. Clear till now? All good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool, good. Now we are providing some these definitions also. Please see this definition, it will be very helpful. Okay, now I'm creating a VPC. Let's understand with the scenario. Okay, I will try to teach guys, this is the toughest thing, but I will try to teach this thing in a simplest way. Okay, let's understand this thing with the help of simple use case. One of the person who is a business analyst, he migrated to the new city. Okay, he migrated to the new city, and because of his job, and he want to live into the rented house, so he need a house into the some city. Some city means there are so many regions are there. Whatever is your choice, you can choose. I'm choosing Virginia. Okay, I'm choosing, and I'm telling you also that you have to choose the Virginia. Okay, and his requirement, he want to create a house like this. Okay, house which is very equal to VPC in the technical term. I want to create this type of house. Okay, I'm copying this, I'm putting into the pant. Okay, I'm putting into the pant. As soon as I will put into the pant, yes, it is look like this. Okay, and yes, my house, I'm feeling that this type of house I have to create it. How to create this type of house in the AWS means your private network. You have to go to the VPC, you have to go to the VPC option, and you have to choose the option only VPC, because at this point I'm looking only house. Okay, so I'm going to the AWS account. I'm in my AWS account. I'm clicking on the create VPC. At this point my requirement is I need a only VPC which is equivalent to house. I'm creating a VPC. Can anyone unmute and let me know your name? Anyone?
Manikanta.
Manikanta, Manikanta. Manikanta VPC I'm creating. If you are creating something, definitely you have to think. If you are creating the house, definitely you have to think that how many people are going to stay. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? If you are thinking that you have to create a house, you will think that how many people are going to stay. At this point, I'm thinking, because I'm creating a big house for the company, so I will feel that my 65,000, around 65,000 servers will stay here. Okay, sir, 65,000 is a big number. Yes, if you will work into the big MNC, this number will be very common for you. Okay, because in the companies there's this many servers are there. So I'm creating a house which has a capacity of 65,000, has to be 65,000 servers can be kept into this. If your requirement is 50,000, then you have to create a 65,000. Okay, means if your requirement is 50,000, you have to create 10 more to 20 more percent more, because we don't know when our requirement will get increased. Okay, so now I'm creating a house which has a 65,000 servers capacity. How it will get decided? Okay, how it will get decided? I'm choosing some IP, normal IP. Okay, /16. I'm putting the value /16. Can anyone here who knows what is /16? What does it
Subnet
mean?
mask.
Subnet masking. Yes. Can anyone little bit explore, little bit tell me one more point about this? What is this in a better way?
Simply that number, like that number of bits, like 2 power 16 IP addresses we can allocate for the subnet mask.
Correct. I'm telling in a simple way, CIDR. This is a CIDR calculation. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, guys, this is CIDR calculation. I will teach you in next 15 minutes. Okay, no need to worry. I will teach you the calculation. I will teach you everything. But at this point, I'm choosing this range. Okay, this range, because my requirement is I need a 65,000 servers. Okay, so I'm just going to my AWS account and I'm putting this value here. Okay, I just put this value here. This number can be anything. Okay, but this is very important. After that, whatever you are choosing, that is very important. I will teach you the calculation. Okay, and then that's it. And I have just put the name, I've just put the value, means I need a house. How much is the size? I just put the size and I click on the create. As soon as I click on the create, my private network Manikanta has been created. If I'm clicking on your VPC, my Manikanta VPC has been created. Simple. Is this simple? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Harshak, Ishad,
Yes, simple.
Shweta. Anyone want to say something or yes? You created your own private VPC. Okay, VPC, which is equal to house, okay, in simple term, or it's a Manikanta, which has a capacity of 65,000 servers can kept into this place. Now, Manikanta has decided, yeah, I have taken this 65,000 space, okay. I can't stay alone, or one server I cannot put here. I will divide the partitions or divide my house into multiple parts. What is multiple part? He is dividing his house into two parts. One part is a private part, another is a public part. Okay, I'm keeping this as a public, P-U-B-L-I-C, public, and I'm keeping as a private. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between public and private?
Public allows the traffic, I mean internet traffic inside, but private won't allow.
Correct. Public means this, whatever the server I will put into the public area, okay, they can connect to the internet. Okay, whatever is the private area, like database, okay, or like the thing which are critical, which you don't allow you to go out to the internet, you will keep into the private area. Okay, then public and private will get connected with the help of internal routes. Okay, whatever the lines I'm creating it, these lines are technically called as a ROUTES, routes. Okay, this is one route, this is two route, I have created it. Okay, public, private. This partition is known as subnet. SUBNE, SUBNET. Okay, subnet, public subnet, private subnet. Partition equal to subnet. What I'm telling, let me write it here. HOUSE, house, equal to VPC. Okay, partition, PRTION, partition equal to subnet. Okay, or way, or that is another ROUTE as routes. With the help of it can go, it can come outside or inside. Till now, is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Garima, Harshak, any question? Manikanta, Naga, anyone?
Also, shall we call routes as tunnel? No.
You can call us, but it's not a correct word. Okay, tunnel is not a correct word. Okay, tunnel is for connectivity.
Correct. Yes.
Kind of okay, but 100% correct.
Technically, it's wrong.
Technically, it will become wrong. Okay. Routes is the thing, with the help of route, it will get connected. It will allow you to go outside. Okay. Now, if you created the house, definitely you need an internet connection. See, how without internet connection, nothing will work. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
You decided at this point, I decided, but I have to take the internet connection. Then only this server can able to connect to this server or anything else. Okay, chala, let's come to the theory. Okay, understand with the help of theory, so that it will be good. I created the partition that is called subnet. Okay, I created a routes. Okay, route can be route will be always get created on the public area. Don't create the routes on the private area. Your bedroom don't have the gate to go outside. Agree, right? Bedroom is a private area. You will not create a external gate on the bedroom. No one will directly come to your bedroom. No, that's not a good planning. So never do that part. Okay. How public and private will get connected with each other? We can create a one more route so that they can connect with each other. Till now, okay?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Now, sir, this architecture to look not very good. This is the real image which you will see in your company. Okay, sir, what exactly it is? You will be into the AWS account. Let me take this image. Okay, we are become mature. We are learning from the last 15 minutes. We become mature. I'm copying this. Okay, now I'm removing this image. Okay, no, I'm not removing. I'm just putting it down. Okay, little bit small. Okay, yes. This is the image which we have to understand. Okay, what this image says, first we have a AWS account. Yes, we have a AWS account. Okay, inside a AWS account, we have a Manikanta VPC. Inside the Manikanta VPC, multiple private subnet, public subnet, multiple things are there. Okay, all are connected with the routes. Now, all are connected with the route. Okay, route will decide. Route has a rules. Okay, who will go outside or who will not go outside. Okay, these routes, if you want to create a networking inside each other, okay, then you need to take the help from the one more service that is called internet gateway. Means if you need a internet, okay, internet, if you need INTR, NET internet, then it is called INTER, Internet Gateway, GATEWAY. If you need an internet connection in your VPC, how this 65,000 servers or how these servers will connect with each other, you need an internet connection. So you have to take the internet connection also from the provider, then only they will able to connect with each other. Till now, is that okay?
Yes.
If you took the internet connection, definitely you are able to connect to the internet. If you took the internet connection, you will able to connect to the internet. That's it. Okay, cool. Now let's design this part. Okay, this is the designing part. Guys, I am repeating one more thing which is important. Okay, public area, private area. Okay, you can choose how many public area you can create and you can decide how many private rooms. In our house, we can decide how many halls we need, how many living areas we need, how many private bedrooms we need. So we can decide, and this is also we can decide into this place. Routes. Okay, it has set of rules. Guys, these routes are set of rules. Anyone from the Linux background here? Linux background, who say that I have a 3 years, 5 years of Linux experience?
Yes, sir, I accept.
Raghavendra, I have a question for you. Anyone else who is telling that I have a 3 years, 5 years experience in Linux? No. Okay, chalo, let me tell you. I have a one question. What is root table? What is root table? This is a Linux question. Or IP table. What is IP table in Linux?
Where IPs are mentioned through which the packets will allow to go to the respective IP addresses.
Super, man, super. Can you repeat it? Because some students haven't listened that part. Can you repeat one more time? Your answer is correct. Yes.
So we go ahead and we enter those IP addresses to which the packets will be flown to the respective IP addresses.
Correct. In place of packet, network with flow. Okay, where it has to be go. This root table is very simple as IP table in the Linux machine. Okay, if you work into the Linux, okay, there is a IP table which is 5-year-old concept, not a latest concept. The latest concept is root table. In this root table, you will put the IP addresses where it has to be get connected, where it has not to be get connected. That is called root table. Guys, got my point? Root table equal to IP table, 100% same.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Harshak, Harish,
Yes.
Karthik,
Yes, yes.
Bharat, Pratik, right?
Yes, yes.
Cool.
And
Good.
additionally, that has been
Yes, sir.
configured in routers. Because it is
At this point, see, earlier it was in Linux machine. Now we will configure everything in AWS.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Okay. This image looks good to me, right? This architecture design looks good to me. What we have learned till now, virtual VPC, which is a private network or dedicated network for your own AWS resources. Subnet, it's a partition of IP addresses in your VPC. What does it mean? Partition, if you are telling that, sir, 65,000, I have a total capacity. Okay, in out of 65,000, I will decide that 30, 40, 50,000 will stay here, or 10,000 or 15,000 will stay here. This is my planning. Okay, so you will divide the IP addresses. Okay, IP address, this IP address division you will do. Oh no, not division, partition you will do. PARTITION. Okay, IP address partitions you will do. That is called subnet. Okay, root table, set of rules is called set of rules will be put into the root tables. Okay, that will be defined. A network traffic is the redirection. With the help of root table, the redirection will happen. He can go here, he cannot go, he can go, he cannot go. This type of route will be decided into the root table. Okay, internet gateway. If you need an internet connection for your VPC, for your house, then you need an internet connection, then only you will be able to connect to the internet. Okay, endpoint. After that, at the end, where you want to save the data, okay, let us assume we have created this, but you want to save the data outside to the internet or outside another service, then you have to create the endpoints. Okay, primary example of endpoint is S3. Why you are keeping your data outside? Because S3 is a global service. Yes or no? VPC I created into the N Virginia, NVERGNIA. Okay, VPC is in N Virginia, but if I want to create S3 bucket that is on the global, so you have to create this type of S3 bucket that is called endpoints. that is called endpoints. Okay, we will create it, no need to worry. Okay, just understand that some external thing outside, if anything outside connection will be called endpoint. Okay, cool. CIDR block. Now this thing came into the picture. CIDR block. Anyone here who knows what is CIDR? Go ahead.
Through CIDR, we can partition the IP addresses. We can take different types of IP, 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0 to something. We can partition the IP addresses.
Okay. Chalo. Before that, let me ask the simplest question. Okay. In our laptop, we are using IPv4 or IPv6?
IPv4.
V4.
What is IPv4? Can you give me the answer? Interview questions, guys. Simple interview questions. What is IPv4?
The system IP address.
Okay.
It's just a version,
It's a 4
like
bit,
Protocol.
not 4 bit, sorry, 32 bit.
It's a 32-bit, which is IPv4,
Internet protocol.
internet IP address. Okay, or
32-bit
protocol.
internet protocol.
Correct, correct.
IPv4 is the
4
32-bit.
Okay, chalo, cool. Let me explain you. Everyone was telling that we are using IPv4 IP address, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's check how many people are correct. Okay. This is my Wi-Fi network. Where is my Wi-Fi network? Ethernet? No. Yeah, this is my Wi-Fi network. Where is my Wi-Fi net? This is my Wi-Fi network. This is my IPv4 and I'm using IPv6 as well. You can also check you are staying in 2023, guys. Check you are getting IPv6 or not.
We are using both.
We are using both. Okay, we already reached into 2023. You are not in 90s. Okay. Check it. Check it, guys. How many people are getting IPv6 IP?
Both.
But what is the major difference between?
I will teach. Wait, first tell me you are getting IPv6 or not?
Yes, get.
Yes, yes.
Getting. Now, guys, give me the answer. What is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6?
IPv4 is the range between 0.0.0.0.02, 255.255.255.
Cool.
But
Correct.
IPv6 will be like
Go ahead.
It's a combination of everything. It's something alphabets like A to Z they include, and numbers they include, numerical numbers, everything.
Okay. Guys, tell me.
The simple difference is like IPv4 is classful and IPv6 is classless.
Okay, chalo. Okay, it is 32-bit or this is 124-bit. Simple first answer. Okay, what is the requirement? Why this IPv6 came into the picture? Next interview question. Why?
IPv4 already.
Because IPv4 was
Already a lot of
existing.
laptop processors are using.
We have
For
so
large
many,
number of ranges.
we have so many devices which are connected with internet at this point, and IPv4 is getting full. There is no range of IPv4 available at this point. So we are creating internet protocol decider, whatever they are. Okay, they have decided that we have to extend the range IPv6. 10 years back, if you have a landline which is of 4-digit, 5-digit number, right? Not 15 years back, if you have a landline which is of 5-digit, now the landline numbers are 8-digit. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
When the mobile phone series came, it started only with 9, then 8, then 7, then 6. Now there's 5-4 also coming, right? In future, there may be chances if this number full, mobile number will become a 11-digit or 12-digit. It's possible, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Same thing happened here also. IPv4 get full, so IPv6 came into the picture. Okay, we are in 2023. In future, we are going to use IPv6. Okay, cool. Chalo. IPv4. I'm teaching you the CIDR calculation. Okay, 10, 0. I'm just putting 0. I'm putting 0. I'm putting 32. Okay, 32 is the maximum number which has to be put after this slash. Okay, 32 is the maximum number which has to be put after the slash. If the value 32, if I will put slash 32, means I have a one value inside it. One value only inside it. Okay. Now, guys, I need your help. If I'm putting slash 32, how come only one IP is available inside it? I need your help. Go ahead.
So like the IP which you kept 10.0.0.0, we cannot modify because 32 means it's like Like 2 power 0, only one IP can allocate at that time.
Manikanta, give me the calculation. I don't need the 3. Give me the calculation. How come 32 become 1? Simple. Guys, we are 40 students here.
Yes, sir. We are using binary decimal to the power.
Correct. Complete.
Yeah.
Yeah. Complete. Yeah. Binary decimal, so I can't write it. Give me the direct answer. Guys,
So
everyone
we
is
can
going
allocate.
to one
Yeah,
thing. Everyone is going to ask 30-40 lakh package, right? Yes or no? Are yes, no?
Yes.
So give me the answer, please. Give me the correct answer. Answers will come. Correct answer I need. Chalo, no one. Okay, chalo.
Yeah,
See the calculation. Go ahead.
First of all, we subtract 32 minus 32, it becomes 0. And after that, we do 2 to the power 0 equal to
32 minus 32. Okay.
32.
32 is the maximum number. 32 I am putting from here. 32 minus 32 equal to 0. And I will put 2 ki power 2 ki power 0
Power 0.
equal to 1. If
1.
someone will ask, sir, how come 2 ki power 0 equal to 1? I don't know. I'm not going to teach you the mathematics. We have to go to the class 10 and we have to learn. 2 ki power 0 equal to answer is 1. Straightforward. Okay. Cool. Okay. 2 ki power 0 equal to 1. That's why this answer is coming 1. Now I have another question. Okay. I want to put /28. Give me the answer, please.
128.
Calculation, please. 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28 equal to
6.
6 or 4?
4.
4, man.
4, sir. 4.
No, 32. Means
Will power.
16. You can get 16.
2 ki power 4 equal
Raised
to
to 4.
16. Okay. If I will slash 38, it will become 60. Okay. 2 ki power.
Whatever the value, sir, we are getting, that is the power only.
Correct. That is the power only. 2 ki minus
That is a
2 power
trick.
4 equal to 60. Okay. Now I have another question. Okay. I want an answer from the new person. Okay. /16. Okay. If I will put the value /16, how the calculation will work? Please help me out.
32 minus 28.
32 minus 16 equal to
16.
16. Okay. Now, yes, after that, 2 ki power
2 ki power 16.
2 ki power 16 equal to
65,536, like
good. Okay, good. 2 ki power 16 equal to 65,536. Okay, 65,536. If I decided that I need /16, I told I need /16. That's why this 65,000 resources are coming into this place because I choose /16. Got it? You know the calculation now?
Now I got them.
Yes.
Okay.
How it is happening and all.
Yes. This is how the calculation happening. Okay. This is we did manually. I have a solution. I want you to remember. Okay. Because in the interview, if you will give the answer, well and great. Okay. But I have a solution, simple solution for you. If you can't remember, 16. Okay. Put the value into this website /16. The answer is coming 65,536. In this 65,000, the IP masking will be start from 0.002 to 10.0255.255. It will go. First IP will be this, last IP will be this. You can calculate with the help of this website as well. 16 is tough. Okay, 65,000 is big number, but this is a real time number. Okay, let's make it 28 so that it will be simple. 28, as I told 28, where is my notepad? In the 28, it will be 16. As soon as you put 28, it will become 16. Okay, in the 16, first IP will be this, last IP will be this. And yes, here is the range. That's it. Cool?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good, nice. Okay, chalo. Let's go more deeper into it. This is called CIDR calculation. The full form. I'm also not able to remember every time. Cashless inter-domain routing. That is called CIDR. Okay, we have to understand little bit about the calculation. If someone will ask in the interview, how much is your VPC size? You can say any IP /16. Okay, cool. Now, internet gateway. I'm coming to the another service. I'm taking the internet connection. Earlier, some couple of minutes back, we created a VPC, Manikanta VPC. In this VPC, I have to create something and I need an internet connection. If I need an internet connection, definitely I have to take the service from the IP internet gateway, IG internet, INTERNET Okay, you can create an internet gateway manually also. How we can create it? You have to go for every service, you have to go to the AWS account. I'm going to my AWS account. Here is the option internet gateway. I'm clicking on the internet gateway. At this point, I have an internet gateway for Karthik. I'm creating one more internet gateway for the what we can say for Manikanta internet. Okay, MINIKNTA IG. I am writing after that IG. IG belong to the internet gateway. Okay, internet gateway. Now I'm creating an internet gateway. If I will click on this create internet gateway, I'm taking the internet connection with the name Manikanta IG. I just clicked and internet gateway has been created. I took the internet connection on that. But at this point, Manikanta is not connected with anybody. I took the internet connection, but it is not connected to anywhere. Are you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Guys, yes or no? Everyone. Arjun, Ashwini, Harshak, Iman, Jyoti,
Yes,
Kavya. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I have created the internet connection, but it is not connected with anybody. You have to select it. You have to go to the action. You have to attach to VPC. Your requirement is you have to connect to the VPC. I am going to this option, attach to VPC. And now here I have to choose the VPC. My requirement is I want to connect to the Manikanta. So Manikanta VPC is 27B. Manikanta name is coming. Yes. And as soon as I will click on the attach internet gateway, internet gateway has been attached to this. And if you will go back, you will see that it has been attached. Manikanta internet gateway has been attached to the VPC. Means in simple term, this Manikanta VPC has an internet connection also, so that traffic from means they internally they can talk with each other, or they can go outside as well if anything has been decided into the rules or regulations or route tables. Cool. Good. Okay, let's go more deeper into it. Let me go, yeah. Let me go. Okay, whatever you are thinking, I have all the answers. Okay, now I have taken the internet gateway. When I took the internet gateway, I get an internet connection of IPv4. I get an internet connection of IPv4. Okay, sir, I want to deal into the future. I'm learning this for the next 5 years, next 10 years. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this IPv4 in future, okay, if you want to take as a IPv6 at this point in the cloud, it is IPv4 only. Okay, in future IPv6 connection if you need. At this point I need I took the IPv4 connection. Okay, IPv4 connection. Okay, in future if you need a IPv6 connection, okay, then you have to create a ingress only internet gateway. Okay, egress only internet gateway is only used for the IPv6 connection. Okay, just remember as a theory, ingress only internet gateway you have to create for the IPv6. Okay, sir, where is the option? The next option is egress only internet gateway. If you will create this, only IPv6 options are available. Things are very similar. Okay, MANIKNT Manikanta. Okay, select the VPC. You can select the VPC. Where is the Manikanta VPC? And create ingress only internet gateway. This time, this service is not free. Okay, in future there may be chances whatever the charges will be there, but egress only internet gateway, if you will click here, IPv6 internet gateway will be get connected to your VPC. Okay, cool. Now, sir, is that possible? We can create all these things manually? Difficult. Okay, it's difficult. AWS is providing everything in an automated way. Yes, we like that. Let's do that with the automated way. I'm going back to my VPC option. Okay, I'm going to my VPC option. I'm going to your VPC. At this point, I have 3 VPCs are available. Yes or no?
Yes.
This Manikanta VPC has only internet gateway. He don't have partition. He don't have route table. He don't have any elastic IP. He don't have any 8.net gateway. Nothing. Okay, it's just a plain internet, a plain house. Okay, or we can say row house. This house is at this point a row house. I don't have anything. I haven't created anything inside it. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ashwini, you are agree? Ashwin, Arjun, Jiva, Garima.
Yes, yes.
right? At this point, it is an empty house. I haven't configured anything. Sir, I want a fully furnished internet connection or VPC. Okay. Chalo, yes, there is the option. If you will click on the create VPC, okay, you have to choose this option VPC and more. VPC and more. Here now I need anyone name who is going to develop the fully furnished house, who has a big budget, good budget. Okay. You want to create a fully furnished, lavish house. Who is the person? Give me your name. Victor. Okay. VICTOR. I'm taking the name Victor. Okay. Victor is telling I want to create a house with all the facilities. Everything should get subnet, routes, everything should get created automatically. Cool. Possible. Yes. I'm giving the name Victor. Okay. I'm going and I'm seeing the architecture of Victor here. Okay. Victor VPC will get created. In the Victor VPC, one public room, one public area, one private, one public, one private. He is creating the house into the two different regions. Okay. Region 1, region 2. If you want to create only in the single region, there is the option. If you will come down, choose the one option. Okay. If you will choose one option, it will get created into the one region, one public, one private. Okay. After that, route table, one will able to connect to two. One means public area will able to connect only with the public area. Private area will only get connected with the private area. He is creating this route table. Straightforward area, right? Public area, public gate has to be public area. Public routes has been connected with public place. Private has to be get connected with the private place. Simple route, which AWS is encouraging you to create this type of thing. Okay, cool. After that, internet gateway. You taken the internet gateway, which is connected primarily to the public area. Internet gateway also AWS will provide, which will be into the public area. If you have something which you want to keep it securely as a endpoint, okay, no, endpoint is not endpoint. Okay, this is one of the network connection, which is S3, which is called as an endpoint only. Okay, this endpoint will be connected to the private area. This is the design AWS is suggesting, and we are going to create. If you want to change anything, you want to create into the multiple ability zone, multiple ability zone get created 1, 2, 3 as per your choice. How many public you want? If you want 0, then 0 public will get created. Okay, because you want a private network completely, so you can create as a public network equal to 0, so that everything is only private. If you decided I want multiple private, you can create a multiple private by choosing this option. Okay, I need one public for sure, and I need one public and one private. Okay, so I'm choosing one public, one private. Net gateway, yes, net gateway. If you want to provide the internet connection to the private area, okay, net gateway. If I will choose this option one, okay, one availability zone, so that what will happen? I get an internet connection. Okay, see here, I get a net connection. I get a net connection, internet connection on my private area. I'm taking a private internet for my bedroom, or for my office room, I'm taking a separate internet connection. So here it's a net gateway. I'm getting private network for my private area. Able to imagine? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone, are you listening me? Harshak, Suman, Abhishek, Ananta, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I go and choose this option, net gateway, not gateway. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, net gateway. I'm taking that I need an internet connection in my private area, so that with the help of this, it will get created. You want to save something on an endpoint, S3 is the only option. Okay. If you will choose none, the S3 will be removed from here. If you will choose S3 gateway, okay, endpoint, the S3 gateway will be get created. Okay. And if I'm coming down, and if I will click on create VPC, my VPC will get created. Let's check it. What exactly we are going to create? We are going to create vector. We are going to create a 65,000. Okay. I don't need IPv6 at this point. It will be available in one zone, one public area, one private area, one internet connection for the private network as well. Okay. S3 connection as well. Okay. And I'm clicking on the create. As soon as I will click create, this many things will get created for you. Okay. If you understood this many definitions, you are good enough to give the 50 interview questions on the networking as well. This all things are getting created one by one, it is getting created. Okay, it will take some couple of seconds for something to get created. Everything is not free of cost. Okay, these are the additional a lot of features available in AWS. Everything is not free, some things are free, but for the learning purpose, please create your own VPC with the fully furnished way. Net gateway is creating, or it is taking a time. Okay, it will take time, definitely. So many things are getting created. I'm going to my VPC. And if you will see here subnet, okay, if you will click on the subnet, you will see Victor subnet has been created. Root table, if you will click here, you will see that Victor root table has been created. Okay, and if you will see here, root tables are getting created, associated, and so many things are getting created related to the Victor network. Getting my point? Yes, no?
Yes, Rick.
Yes.
Okay, guys, it will take some time to get it complete. What I want maximum from you, you have to understand one by one definition. What is VPC? What is DNS? What is DNS? What is peering VPC? What is S3? What is subnet? What is subnet? What is internet gateway? What is root table? What is net gateway? What is elastic IP? Can anyone tell me what is elastic IP?
It's a public IP,
Reserve
but it
IP.
is a static. I mean,
The
it
reserve
cannot be
buffer.
changed.
It's
So
a reserve.
static public IP.
It's a static public IP. Cool. Yep.
It cannot be changed.
It cannot be changed. Yes, the IP also get created for my VPC, so that if I will give the IP address to you, you can connect to my VPC as well. We will do in some couple of minutes. Okay, and it will take some couple of seconds. Yeah, net gateway has been created, root table created, and everything has been created. As soon as
Sir,
everything,
I have a question.
1 minute, 1 minute. As everything has been created, I can see my VPC from this place as well. And I'm going here, your VPC, and you can see here, Victor VPC has been created. In the Victor VPC, subnet, yes, subnet is there. Root table is also there. Internet gateway, yes, Victor Internet Gateway also there. Earlier, in some couple of minutes back, Manikanta, we created a manual. We attached manually, but here it has been connected with the automation. Okay. Egress, I never requested for egress, so nothing is there. Okay. Carrier Gateway, nothing. Elastic IP, I requested, or it has been came. So Victor project has a Elastic IP. Okay, it's came. Okay, and after that endpoint, yes, endpoint also came. Where is the endpoint? Victor has an endpoint, it is coming. Okay, net gateway also I requested, Victor net gateway, so Victor net gateway also get created. That's it. This all things, whatever the options are available here, it has been created. It can be get created with the help of automation, that is called VPC and more. You have to just provide the information. You have to decide. The architecture will be decided here, which will be visible to you. You can imagine, you can see the flow as well, which has been connected to what. And as soon as you will click on create, and the VPC will be get created with the full network. Now go ahead. What is your question?
Sir, all this can be done by writing Terraform code?
Possible. Yes, we have did it in our project also last time. Abhishek, you are my last student, right?
Yes, yes.
We did it in our Terraform. In the Terraform, you can choose the VPC, but it will be very difficult. It's not an easy thing. Okay.
Yes.
Right? Because if you will see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 services has to be get created around.
Yes.
Yep. And we did it in our project. Check our project. It was already there.
38 services, right? So this one.
Can you repeat it?
In organization, which strategy basically follows manually or
in organization is still not yet reached into this place. They are creating manually.
Okay.
Okay. If you learn that, if you are confident, you can create in your companies like this. Possible. Okay. Some companies are doing it. Okay. With the help of Terraform as well, but I don't want to discuss Terraform at this point. I want to discuss this all things.
No, just it is a question. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Here S3, does it denote storage or some?
See, S3 is the endpoint. Means let us assume you are getting the logs. Okay, these all 100 machines or 65,000 machines are generating the logs. Correct?
Yes.
Where you will store the data if it's a 1 terabyte or 100 terabytes. If you can't store this into your house, right?
Okay.
So you have to store somewhere outside. That is S3.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Guys, all good? Can we take a small break? Then what I'm doing it, I will do in front of you. I have created the VPC. Okay. I'm going to my this thing. Okay. I'm going to create my god, it's not there. My next question is, I want to create a EC2 machine in this my own VPC, Manikanta or Victor VPC. My question is, guys, think the answer. Okay. I'm giving a break, 5-minute break. I'm giving one question, think the answer and give it to me. Okay. The question is, let me write and give it to you. My notepad is opening. Okay. Yep. Notepad has been open. I want to create EC2 machine, MACHINE. Any name for the machine, please? Sheetal. Okay. I want to create a Sheetal machine, SHEETL, Sheetal EC2 machine in my own VPC. Okay. Sheetal, which VPC you want to go? Victor or Manikanta? You have an option.
First one.
Victor. Okay, chalo. I'm deleting the Manikanta. We will put into the Victor VPC. Guys, this is my question. Think it and come back in the next 5 minutes. Okay, or 7 minutes. How much is the break?
5 minutes.
5. Okay, let's go to 6 minutes. Okay, please come back in 6 minutes. Okay. And question is showing here. Guys, time is back. Now we are back. Everyone back? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. I need an answer for this. Please, who want to give the answer?
So I didn't understand the question. Can you repeat?
Yeah, guys, give the question first. Explain the question.
We have to create EC2 machine, and that EC2 machine has to be, I don't know how to tell that. That has to be attached. I don't know whether that has Victor VPC already. That has to be attached. I might be wrong. I'm sorry.
Okay. Anyone else for the question? First, need a question.
We have our own VPC, which is called Victor, and
Superb.
EC2 machine has to get attached to that.
Superb.
Created in that environment, VPC environment, what you created, Victor.
Yes. This is a VPC. Let us assume this is a vector VPC. Inside the vector VPC, one private, one public area. So I want a EC2 machine into this area, either public or either private, anywhere we can decide it. But I need a EC2 machine into this place. Okay. Let's design this thing. Okay. Chalo, yeah, design is already here. Okay. The design is already here. Let me copy this. Let me go to the pen. Okay. Let me open a new one. Okay. Don't save. Okay, I'm creating here. This is my AWS account. Inside the AWS account, Victor VPC is there. VICTOR Victor VPC. Okay. Now in this Victor VPC, everything is already there. Okay. In this Victor VPC, I need a EC2 machine. Either it will go to the public or either it will go to the private. But this is a Sheetal EC2 machine, which has to be go. SHEETAL. Okay, Sheetal EC2 machine has to be go either into public or private. We will decide it. Okay, this is my requirement. How we can do it? Can anyone give me the answer? This is the question. How can we do it?
We have to launch the instance.
We have to launch the instance.
In
Okay.
this, you need to select after that the
networking options.
networking options are Victor. You need to select. If you want to change any other configuration, you can also tell regarding that, and then you need to launch it.
Got it, man. I got it. Let me explain. Okay, cool. Your answers are correct. Okay, I'm creating an instance. I'm creating a launching instance. In the launch instance, I'm creating a machine with the name SHETL. Okay, in the Sheetal, rest everything we have discussed in our last classes. All the classes we discuss all these things. I'm not going there. This time I'm coming to the network setting. In the network setting, I'm editing it, which we haven't touched in the last classes. I'm editing the network setting. In the network setting, VPC, which VPC here is supposed to be go? Tell me now, Victor, Manikanta, Avik, Karthik. I want to go to the Victor VPC.
Victor
so I just selected the Victor VPC here. In the Victor VPC, how many subnet public, private are there? Private, public. Guys, let me know where it has to be go. Public, private.
Public.
Public. Chalo, let's go to the public. Okay. Here.
It should be public.
Anywhere, man. Anywhere. It's your design, right? You can decide anything, whatever you want. Okay. So if you want to go to public, here is the public option. I just choose the public. Victor subnet public US East 1A. It will go into this place. Cool. You want to give the public IP or private? You want to give the public IP or not? If you want, you can make it enable so that public IP will.
So
not required. If it's not required, you can remove it, or if you want, you can choose this. Everything is your choice. Okay, we can decide that part. Security group, you want to create, you want to put into the existing security group, or you want to create a new. I will suggest you create a new one. Okay, and rest everything is same. There is no difference. Okay, SSH from the port number 22, nothing. I'm not allowing it. Some advanced configurations are also there. Okay, related to network interface. No need to worry for that. I need a single IP, so I'm doing that. Secondary IP, I don't need it. Okay, so leave it that part. And here, simple thing. I want to go to the Victor. Yes, Victor VPC. It will go into the public. Okay, so in this image, public. Where is public? Here is the public. So my Sheetal machine will be inside this. Okay, as soon as I will click on the launch instance, I click on the launch instance. What is that? Key pair. Okay, I'm taking without key pair. And as soon as I launch this instance, this machine will be get created into my Victor VPC. Okay, machine has been created, instance. Okay, this instance Sheetal has been created. I'm going inside it. And when I'm coming to the networking part, you can see here, this is the public, private, whatever, everything is there. This is the VPC. Here is the VPC name is Victor. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In the Victor, It
Yes.
should be public. So here is the public area. That's it. Now my next interview question. Okay. I want a RDS machine, RDS instance into the Victor VPC. Help me out. How to do that? Help me out. Give me the answer.
So you can select the VPC while creating the database.
Correct. We can choose that. I'm going to the instance. I'm going to the MySQL. Okay. I will go to the networking tab. Let's be loaded. Okay. Let it get loaded. Yes, loaded. Free tier. Okay. Come down, come down, come down. Everything I'm taking same. Yeah. Here is a VPC option. Which VPC I want to put? I want to put Victor, which has a 2 subnet. I'm keeping the Victor so that if I will click on the create VPC, create database, this database will go into the Victor VPC. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, good. Okay. Now very important thing. Okay, let's go. We are at 9. We have 30 minutes more. Let's go a little bit more about theory, and then we will go into the one more practical today. Okay. Guys, must wait until all get completed. Okay, and read all this definition. It will be very helpful for you. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is the one we have created the EC2 instance in your Victor and Victor VPC in the Sheetal thing. Now I have some security related questions. Okay, because networking is very, very important, and if it's not secure, your networking is not very good. Okay, can anyone tell me the security components of AWS?
Security.
Tell me the security components of services in AWS.
Security group.
Security group, yes, correct. 1 point is correct. Security group, yes.
Gateway.
Gateway. Okay, chalo. Let's accept gateway, but not a very correct answer.
Private subnets.
Now you are making the answer, okay? Which one?
Elastic IP.
Wrong answer. Wait, wrong answers. Leave it.
Elastic
Okay,
IP also.
Access
IP.
control list.
This is
yeah,
totally wrong. Elastic.
correct. Leave it.
IAM.
Wait. Let me give. Okay. See, you are giving the answers for asking the 2 lakh package or 5 lakh package. If you will give this answer, interview will write in front of your name, give maximum 5 lakh package. That's it. And he will write selected, but give the 5 lakh package. Okay. Give the answer to ask the 20 lakh package. Agree with my point? Yes or no? Everyone agree with my point?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So say something so that he will write that yes, we have to give 20 lakh package to him, 30 lakh package to him. Okay, and the answer is NACL. Okay, chalo. I will create a scenario here. Okay, so that you will understand or you will remember this part in a better way. Okay, you are working. Guys, listen the question properly because I don't want to repeat the question again and again. You are working in the company XYZ and there are some attack is happening on this machine, this company XYZ from this IP. Okay, chalo, let me design this everything. Okay, and this is our architecture. We have a Victor VPC. This is you are working in XYZ company. Okay, XYZ company. Okay, this is XYZ company. In this XYZ company, Victor is the VPC, and here lot of servers are there. Okay, you have 500 servers are there. Okay, big company. Okay, so many servers are there. Okay, and some attack is happening. Okay, from which IP? I'm just taking the exact IP. Tell me any of the country name from where the attacks are coming in general. Any country name?
China.
No, I don't.
China.
Chalo, let's written China. Okay, CHINA. Okay, just a name. Okay, just for fun, musty. Okay, China, from this country, the attacks are coming to my Victor VPC, which is into the US region. Okay, cool. Okay, now what I'm doing it has more than 500 servers are there, and if the attack is coming from this IP into this server, okay, what you will do, how you will resolve this issue. You observe that attack is coming from this IP into this server. What you will do?
Just block that IP address in our security group, so it doesn't allow anything from from that IP particularly.
Guys, how many people are agree with the Manikanta answer? Manikanta, repeat your answer, please.
Block the IP from block the IP into in security group of
Okay.
of our VPC.
We will block this IP in security group. Okay, this is the Manikanta answer. Okay, cool. Are you guys agree with his answer?
Yes, sir. So there is another way also.
Wait,
We might attack from using another IP also.
Chalo. See,
How we block?
Manikanta given the answer, which is good standard answer. Okay, but hackers are very smart. Okay, he's changing in his IP multiple times. Okay, slash he has slash 24 or 28. Okay, he has thousands of IP, or he has 16. He has 65,000 different IPs. Okay, now you will not able to block this IPs. So many IPs are coming, right? You can't block every IP.
So we can block in the NACL the particular IP range.
Wait, Mohit, wait. I know you know the answer. Wait, okay. See, now the problem is he changed the IP, he's changing the IP and he reach into this place. So he reach into this place now. Okay, he's reaching into this server. He's reaching into this server. Security group, guys, if your answer was security group, okay, if your answer was security group, in the security group, one by one configuration creation is very difficult, right? Yes or no? You can't create this many configurations because he has a 65,000 servers, you have a 65,000 machines, so many servers, so many machines. Is that possible? You will create 65,000 rules. Not
No, sir.
possible, right? Not possible.
Very tough.
Very tough, right? 65,000 rules, if you will create, you need 65,000 days or 65 days, 1,000 rule in per day. So in 65 days, everything will be finished. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So this approach is absolutely not a good approach. The good approach says, okay, when this type of situation came, okay, you have to create the security layer. You have to create a security layer on your VPC. Okay, if you will secure your VPC itself with the rule name is NACL. Okay, so that what will happen with the help of NACL rule, you will block everything so that it will not able to reach to your VPC itself. Okay, everything get blocked into your VPC itself. No one can come to your VPC, so that this type of problem will get solved very quickly. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay. If theory is yes, practical also we have to do it. Chalo, let's do this practical. Okay. I'm going into this place. I'm going to the option. I'm coming to the security part. Security part, two answers. Okay. NSCL and security group. Both are correct answer, but NSCL can be get created over the VPC itself. I'm creating my one more NSCL. I'm creating a NSCL. Can anyone give me this security NSCL name, please? Anyone name? Anyone name, please?
Pratik.
Pratik. Pratek. Pratik. Okay. NACL. I'm giving the name Pratik NACL. Okay. Pratik Security NACL or whatever it is. Okay. SECURITY, whatever it is. Okay. Pratik Security NACL. I'm creating it. I'm giving the name. Okay. And on which VPC you want to create? I want to create on the Victor VPC. So I'm just selecting the Victor VPC. Okay. And done. That's it. If I will click on the create NACL, NACL has been created with the name Pratik on the Victor VPC. Okay, sir, it's very simple. Now, where is the rules and regulation, right? NACL has been created. In the NACL, rules and regulations will be there. Okay, means what you have to allow, what you have to DENAY, means what you want to allow that it has to come, or what you want to disallow, you have to set up that part. How we can do it? We have to go inside the NACL. We have to go inside the NACL. There are rules here. Okay. Now my requirement is again very same. The 28.190.12.62 I want to block. Okay. I want to block this IP. Okay. I'm telling that this IP I want to block. Okay. This is my requirement. Okay. BLOCK. So what I will do, I'm going to the inbound rule. I'm clicking on the edit inbound rule. Okay. Add new rule. Okay. New rule says, what is new rule? Yeah. Rule number 1, I'm giving some number. Okay. All the traffic coming from this IP range 128.190, 128.190.12.32/32/16, whatever the range I want to put, sorry, dot 32/16. Okay, whatever the IP is coming, if you want to block, you can click on the deny. Okay, so that all the traffic from this IP range will be denied. As soon as I will save the change, all the all the requests coming from this IP will be blocked. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can anyone create one more question from here? Good question.
If I want to block entire country, what I will do?
Create like that.
See, there is no option. You have Ishad, if your question is block entire country, give me the country IP, I will make it. Ishad, give me the country IP, I will block it.
Sir, you can't block country IP. I mean, it's very deep.
No,
It's not possible.
The question is like that. That's why answer is like
This
that.
is not possible, seriously.
Possible. Okay, nothing is impossible.
Yeah, in firewall rules, I did see that option for we can block entire country traffic if it is
Everything
the
is
traffics
possible.
are spam.
Guys, everything is possible. I'm not telling not possible. Okay. Now the question says best practice. Okay. Best practice for real-time work. Best practice for the real-time work. What you will do? Let me only give the answer. Okay. We will block everything. Okay. We will block everything all over the world. We will block and we will allow my company, COMPANY company IP, that is VPN. That's it. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yeah, that is yes.
Why to block countries and everything? I have hundreds of countries. I will block 100 countries one by one. No, right? Best
Yes,
option, block everything, everyone, and then I will allow my things. Okay. Block everyone. Okay, you can go here. You can block everyone. 0.0.0.0/0. Okay. /./0/0. I blocked everyone. This is rule number 2. Okay. And I'm creating one more rule, rule number 1. Okay. Over that, this rule will be applicable. Okay. And I'm allowing whatever is my IP, whatever is my correct IP. Okay. My VPN IP, whatever it is. Okay. And I will allow. That's it. Okay. Lapping not correct.
Put
Okay.
5 zeros actually.
1 0 extra.
Some 1 0 is also extra, 1 dot is also extra.
Dot also extra.
Okay, just correct it, and if you will save, rule has been created. Okay, means everything has been blocked and my company has been allowed. This is the good practice which we are following, which we have to follow if you are using the NSCL thing. If you will give this answer into the interview that you are from the networking background, you know this thing, ask the 30 lakh package. Okay. Cool. Good. Yes. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
cool.
sir.
Okay. Cool. Let's go here. Let me explain you some more theory. Okay. Yeah. When I'm talking about the security group is only for one machine. Okay. Security group rule is only for the one machine. When I'm talking about the NSCL, it is over the subnet, over the VPC as well. Okay. Means completely VPC, you can secure it. Cool. Okay. And what is that? Yeah, you can create inbound rule, outbound rule for the control, access control. Okay, looks good. You can create a security group over the VPC itself, so you don't have to worry. All the requests will first come to the NSCL. NFCL will see that it has to be allowed, then he will allow you to go inside it. Otherwise, he will block itself. Okay, there itself. Okay. How to create it? You have to create an NSCL, you have to create a VPC, and you have to click on the create NSCL and it will get created. Then you have to create a rules inside it. Okay. Next concept, I want to teach VPC pairing. In 15 minutes, not possible. Okay. In 15 minutes, not possible. So whatever we have created, let's delete everything. Okay. Because that is also very important. I created the Manikanta VPC. I click on the VPC. I delete VPC and it is telling that it is deleted. Type delete. Okay. Type delete. And as soon as I click delete, it has been deleted. My Manikanta VPC has been deleted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I want to delete the Victor VPC. Okay. I am going to the delete VPC. Now I have lot of errors. 1 error, 2 error, 3 error. How to help me out, guys? First error says you are unable to delete. Why? Because already Sheetal machine is running here. If you delete the VPC, Sheetal machine also get affected. But Sheetal is a separate entity. You can't delete the VPC as well. I'm not getting any option to delete. He is telling me first go and delete the Sheetal VPC. Sheetal is staying into the Victor VPC. You have to remove Sheetal machine first. So I'm going here. I have to delete the Sheetal instance as well. Terminate instance, terminate. It will take 30 seconds in termination. Okay. So one part has been done. Now second, he is telling you have a network interface also. You have two network interface which are using in this VPC. Okay. So you have to delete the network interface as well. Okay. I'm going here, I'm coming here. Okay, two network interfaces are there. I'm selecting both and I'm click on action. I'm clicking on the delete. It is also not allowing me to delete. Okay, why? Because it is currently in use. Sheetal or someone is using it. That's why I'm not able to do it. Okay, I have to deattach it. Action, I have to click on deattach. Okay, it is asking, do you want to remove from your network? I'm telling yes, I want to remove forcefully, and I click on the deattach. Deattach, one network doesn't exist. Okay, one fetch to attachment, something wrong. Okay, let's refresh it. It is available or not. One is already deleted. Okay, let's check it one more time. Okay, action, deattach. Okay, enable. No, it is not allowing me because it is telling the net gateway or net resources are connected with each other. Okay, I have to delete everything, guys. Deletion is the tricky part here. Okay, net gateway has been connected. This is a Victor net gateway, public internet connection. I took it, so I cannot delete my VPC. I am deleting my public net gateway. Okay, delete it, net gateway, delete. Okay, and my net gateway is deleted at this point because I created a big list of things, so it will take time to get deleted. Okay, net gateway related to net gateway. Where is net gateway? Here is a net gateway. I created a net gateway Victor also. I'm deleting. Okay, it's deleting. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the VPC again. I'm closing. I'm trying to delete Victor VPC again. Delete VPC. This time I'm getting two error. Okay, one is related to the network interface, one is related to the net gateway. It is deleting. So this is the problem at this point. Are you agree? Network gateway is a problem at this point. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'm choosing the network gateway. I'm seeing that how exactly I can delete. I'm choosing this. Okay, action. I'm deattaching it first. Okay, deattaching option is not coming because net gateway or some other resources is using it. Okay, I'm opening both. Okay, this is the net gateway it is using. I'm clicking on delete. I'm type delete. Okay, delete. This has been deleted. Okay, net gateway has been deleted now. Okay, and another, this is same only deleted. Okay, now net gateway has been deleted. Okay, now I'm trying to delete network interface. Okay, I'm selecting it. I'm clicking on deattach. Still it is not coming. You have to give some time. Okay, give some time.
Creation is very easy, sir.
Huh?
Creation is very easy. Deleting is
just throw the money, full furnished house will come, right? Then management is
Yeah.
really difficult. If you want to sell out something, it is very difficult. Okay,
Very true.
okay, yeah, see, still network interface. Okay, it is still, it's in use. Okay, by this public IP, private IP. Let's check it. Okay, deattach. First you have to deattach. Okay, enable, still this option is not coming. Okay, it is telling net gateway is using, because it is still, it's deleting. Okay, but still at this point, see, it is deleted, but still the entry is available. Okay, it will take 2-3 minutes, the entry will be removed. Okay, then all these options will come for me. I'm choosing action, delete. Okay, time, delete, delete. Okay, delete. Okay, this net gateway is deleted. Okay, network interface, still I'm not getting option to delete. Okay, let's wait, we have to wait for some minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to the VPC again, still one problem is still. Okay, let me cancel it, everything, let me refresh it. Okay, Victor, action, delete VPC. Okay, now I'm getting the option to delete my Victor VPC because I deleted everything. After deleting, see, if you will get this option, will be deleted, will be deleted. He's telling still I have some more entries to be get deleted. Okay, so I'm taking this because in the Victor VPC we take the Pratik NSCL. Okay, internet gateway. Okay, Victor private network, Victor public network, and so many 8 resources are still there. If you will click on delete, what happened, man? If you will click on the delete, is you will click on delete, then all the things will get deleted. You have to be a patience. Okay, it will take 5-minute time to delete everything. Okay, now everything has been deleted. Still one more problem, elastic IP was not deleted because you told that you need a reserve IP, right? You have to release this IP. Okay, you have to release this IP. Remember this elastic IP concept?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Yes.
Can anyone repeat?
Static IP is used.
Static IP, you have purchased it when you created the VPC. Okay,
Yes, we have the, yeah, you're right. Yes, we have
okay,
purchased.
this IP is always allocated to you until you will delete it. Okay, so I'm taking this, I'm releasing the elastic IP, I released it. Okay, now my Victor, and the one more I have taken it, I'm deleting it also. Okay, release elastic IP. As soon as you release, now your things has been deleted. Okay, so I want you to create, I want you to spend time on deletion as well. Okay, if you will not do by own, you will not able to learn the things. Okay, and I'm good at this point, guys. I want you to ask the questions if you have anything. Otherwise, in the tomorrow class, we will go to the VPC pairing. We will, at this point, we know how to create a VPC. We will create a VPC and we will connect the VPC with each other. That is called VPC pairing. We will do into the tomorrow class. Okay, and some more concept related to the VPC pairing, some more concept related to the security. We will go more deep, or some theory we will read it about this all things, and we will see the project also, that how to create a networking project. If you are a non-technical person, if you feel that you are very interested in the networking part, you can write as a one project into the as a networking part as well. Because let us assume someone has a 10-year experience, he don't have much project, so you can write 1 year or 2 year networking project also in your resume. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we will do into the tomorrow class. Okay, yeah, guys, go ahead. Any question? How was the today's class? Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Guys, trust me, this is the toughest topic, okay, which you have learned. If you are able to understand, you are very good. What's your suggestion? What's your thing?
You have to practice it sometimes.
We have to practice.
Without practice, nothing will happen. Without practice, you can't cook the chapati also. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without practice, nothing will happen. Practice always required. Yeah. What else? How I have delivered the things to you?
Good, sir.
Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
It's a mix up.
Especially that house example.
It means example, theory, practical, both in a sync way, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Everyone agree? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool, good. Okay. Guys, if you have questions,
Because can we configure external any kind of firewalls if client requires the firewall? Can we purchase and add in our?
You can purchase the external firewall also. It will be on the IP address, right? You have to configure with the IP. You are getting the IP. You can configure external firewall on the IP also. Possible. Yes. Possible. There are so many firewalls available. If client is required, yes, we can do it.
Okay.
So because so security will work on the instance level and NACL will work on the VPC level, right?
Superb. Yes, 100% correct answer.
Stateful and stateless.
Don't go in that keyword. Okay, people will give the reverse answer. Okay, on the one machine security group, on the entire system NACL. That's it. Cool. And guys, happy weekend. One second. Happy weekend. Okay. Plus, we have a workshop over this weekend. Okay. We have a weekend workshop over this weekend. I don't want you to come. Okay. We will learn in our actual classes. But I want you to invite your friends. Okay. For the Docker and Kubernetes workshop. Okay.
In this Docker class workshop, you will include how to write Docker files and everything, all the concepts.
In one day, I can't teach complete Docker. In one day, I can't teach Kubernetes. Practically not possible, right? I need 1 week. Right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah, that's.
I will teach you guys into your real time, into your 8 AM classes, but for the workshop, okay, free workshops, so that we can engage the people. Okay. So you can invite your friends as well into this class. And yes, they will start their career into the AWS and DevOps also. Right? So means somewhere I need your help also, right? So you can just refer your friends. Yeah, go ahead. Now go ahead with your questions.
Sir, can we use the single root table to multiple subnet?
Single root table to multiple subnet. It's a single root table only. Root table will be one only. Everywhere, all the routes will be written into the single root table only. Okay? We will create only one root table. It will get connected to every subnet. Okay? If you will see this image, the same diagram I am showing. Single root table has been connected to everything. Right?
Okay.
Yep.
And one more interview question, sir. What are the states for the ES3 life cycle management?
I already given the answer. You did the practical yesterday only. State of life cycle of S3. Yes, you only did the practical now, Sheetal. Sheetal, you did the practical, right?
Yes, I already done, but there was the interview question. That's why I'm asking for.
See, you know the answer. Yeah, here is that storage classes and their life cycle rule. Done. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer.
No, states for storage. No, not storage class.
This is called, we can call it the states also 90 days, 60 days. What he is asking in the state, tell him, ask him properly that what is the state? If you are asking into the root cycle or storage classes. If he's asking on the storage classes, you know the storage classes also. And here is the answer. This image is the storage classes. Stages is life cycle. If he's talking about stages, that is life cycle.
Asking the life cycle states, sir. S3 life cycle states.
Yes, it's the life cycle script. Standard intelligent, you need to explain in the proper way.
Yeah,
from where to where it will come. Like 0 to 90, you need to tell. Any data should be coming in the standard first. You need to explain like this.
It's a different question because the S3.
Shita, search that question into the internet first. Are you sure that your question is correct?
Yes, sir.
Show me the question into the internet. If Google will not able to give the answer, I'm also not able to give the answer. Is that fine? Okay. See, two things. Sheetal, don't go with the question. Two things are there: storage classes or life cycle. Okay. He can rotate the question into the another ways. Okay. These are the two concepts available in S3. Or you are talking about stage, right? Let me search into the internet. S3 stages. S3 STAG. This is your question?
No, S3 life cycle states.
Life cycle, so already that thing only which I teach. LIFE, life cycle. CYCLE. Okay, stage. Okay. Life cycle typically stage. No, this is nothing. Management guide. Okay, same only which I was teaching you. Okay.
Might be because instead of stages, it might be saying that states could be.
Correct. Stage or state, same, and Okay.
Both are the same. Both are the same. He wants to confuse us. That's it.
Correct. Okay. Life
Both
cycle.
are same, sir. Just the
Both are
interviewer
same.
want to confuse her. That's why the question is like that.
Correct.
Answer should be in all the three cases. Answer should be the same only.
Correct.
Life cycle you need to explain in such a way.
Correct. See, if you will read this story, you will not able to understand anything. Okay. Life cycle rule qualification. Yeah, here is the answer. Okay. Let's see. See here. Specifying a filter, disable filter rule. My God, he's explaining very tough. Yeah, he's explaining the same thing. 0 days. Okay. After that, it will go to some other thing, into some other days. Okay. From here, 0 days to some other days, like that. He's teaching the same thing. Then 30 days, then 365 days. He's explaining the same thing. I also explain you the same thing.
Transition and expiration, I think these are maybe states.
Can you repeat?
Transition and the expiration.
Possible. Sheetal, if you will go directly with the question, you will not get this question again. There may be chances. Okay. It's okay. If you are not able to give one answer, that's not a problem. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes. Again, we have to dig more a bit. Whether he wants to ask us state or stages, then we can give the answer.
Correct. And Sheetal, see, whatever is your question, here is the answer. Just read it. Okay. Nothing can be better than AWS documents. Okay. This is very good. But it's very difficult if you will able to understand well and great. Otherwise, it will be very difficult.
Sir, otherwise, we can say that in our company, we are doing 0 to 19 in this. We
100
need to control the interview, how we need to present yourself. That is the most key word.
Correct. Okay, you can say that in
So
my company. we
basically
are
the
using
thing
this.
is like that. So in our company, we are using like this. So
Super
after that,
answer.
we are putting this the data.
Absolutely. I agree with the Parth. Okay. In my company, we are using this. My architect has been decided or designed like this. That's it. Okay. And what we can say, I explore from myself. I'm able to see this option only. If interview will say this thing, show me the option. Okay. You can say that, show me the option.
Interviewer want to confuse. That's the question is same in all the three cases.
See,
Answer should be only one.
I'm telling you, if Sundar Pichai, Mark Zuckerberg also give the interview, they will also get rejected. Okay. 100% true. Sheetal, got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Cool, good. Okay. Guys, as planned, we are going to start the mock interviews for you from the 8th of November. Okay. So I'm going to publish this date in front of the group. Okay. That from 8th of November, the mock interviews for your batch has been started. Okay. Please be available. Please get prepared for yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Cool. Okay, guys, that's it from my side. Thank you. And recording will be available in next 20 minutes.
Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you.